Um, yes, thank you. And welcome each one of y'all. And I'm very, very happy to have y'all here. As y'all know, that today is going to be a great day. And can y'all all hear me, please? My name is Rovina Kavadia. I am with Velocity Booster for about a year now, a silver achiever and raring to go. I'm just trying to see how I can really, really take off and give in my best time to Velocity Booster. So as I welcome you all, I would also, as you all know, today we are meeting for an excellent, excellent session, which is on velocity genetics DNA testing. So basically it is preventive and predictive DNA testing. So it will discover, you will discover how strong your immunity is, your unlocking of your genetic code, your access, your predisposition to various health conditions, future risk factors, taking corrective action through different and lifestyle changes and epigenetics. So I welcome each one of you, and I can see a lot of new faces here, and I'm very, very happy to have all of you here. I'm sure today's session is going to be really धमाकेदार. बहुत अच्छा सेशन होने वाला है. आपको कुछ पता भी नहीं है यहाँ कौन आने वाला है, और ये मैं बताने के पहले आपको थोड़ा सा रूल्स बता देती हूँ. जहाँ पे हम लोग सब लोग म्यूट पे रहेंगे. आप किसी के पास भी कोई क्वेश्चन होगा, कोई डाउट होगा, कोई क्वेरी होगी, तो आप लिख के रखना. You can put it on the chat and it will be answered at the end of the session by unmuting you. The host will unmute you. So you shall not have a problem at all. So these are a few regulations which all of us should take care of. And now you will not imagine who is going to come and be with us. आज का सेशन इतना अच्छा है. मैं तो बहुत फॉर्चुनेट हूँ कि मुझे आज चांस मिला है उनके लिए बात करना. She is a PhD in hospital management, okay, with Velocity Booster for over 2 years, a nutrigenomics consultant, a gold achiever, a good speaker. Her presentations are excellent. इतना energy है उनके बातों में कि आप तो you will all be just स्तब्ध. आप सोच भी नहीं पाएंगे इतना अच्छा सेशन होने वाला है. So I request all of y'all, each one of y'all, to put your hands together and through waving welcome our speaker of the day, Dr. Usha Nair. Yeah. She is my favorite speaker. As a lady, I mean, I am in awe of her and a big inspiration to me too. बहुत धमाकेदार आज सेशन होने वाला है. So be ready and absorb all you can. Thank you. Over to you, Dr. Usha.
Thank you so much, Rovina ma'am. Thanks a lot. I started feeling you're already giving my presentation, but of course, for all the energies and the excitement, I was already nervous. It's almost 60 plus people already here, and every day we reach hundreds. So today, yes, I am a little nervous. I hope I don't show it to all of you all. But to begin with, yes, we are here today. We will request all of you to stay on mute and don't leave the session till the very end, because the best always comes at the end, and that I'm sure Rovina ma'am will take care. So today we are here to unlock your genetic potential. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. Yeah, kindly make it full screen, please.
Yes, I did. Okay, great friends. So the most important factor today is what I'm going to try and make you understand, that just by unlocking your genetic potential, how I will come to it, you will be able to take charge, take control of your health. very common discussions today, corona. In corona, we find ourselves many a times desperate, helpless. We are not able to understand what to do when something will affect us. Probably we are affected, we have our immunities, we have been vaccinated, we are waiting in long queues to be vaccinated, and there are so many more challenges and things. एक कोरोना चला गया, दूसरा म्यूटेंट वैरायटी आया, तीसरा म्यूकरमाइकोसिस आया, चौथा और भी बहुत कुछ आएगा. We are trying to adjust to our lockdown lifestyles, but today, if I have to tell you, I am here to precisely let you know how everything in your health, everything for yourself, your well-being, you will be able to hold in your own hands and be charge of it. You want to be in charge of it? Yes. Can I see a few yeses? Great. Well, friends, let us start by looking at what do you think is the lifespan of a human being? We are all human beings, right? So, Ayurveda, the oldest science in healthcare, says a human being can live, a human body can live up to at least 120 years. And what do you think? How many of us really are able to actually live up to that kind of lifestyle? Or we think today that, yes, I will be able to live to 120 years. I can give you an example. In my house, I have a 96-year-old granny. And I will say today, at my age, almost half her age, I don't think I am as healthy as she is today. So it's like fingers crossed, she'll go to 100. I don't know about me. But why are we discussing this? Because if you see the average lifespan in the world globally for a man is 70.8 years only. That's the average men live in the world. Women, it is 75.6. And if you take an average of both men and women, we don't even touch 75 years. Leave aside 120 years. These are a few statistics. Of course, the lifespan, the longevity of people in Hong Kong because of their lives. There are so many alternate therapies, medicines, herbs, so much available there, and they are aware about it. Most important is be aware about it. When they know about it, their average lifespan, men and women both, goes to about 85.29. And if we see, India stands 135th. These are statistics, of course, before the pandemic. We can't even estimate the figures or kind of age group that have been affected by the pandemic. But India at 135th level has an average lifespan of men of only 69.16 years, not even 70, friends. And again, if we think about the world average of both together, a 73.2, but even women in India, I think they are healthier genetically. Okay. So, women in India, they don't even touch that world average of both. They are not even 72 on an average lifespan. Averaging in India is men and women 70.42. So, what does this actually tell us? You think it is because of death or because of illness or because of what reasons? Of course, as we go ahead in the presentation, I will touch upon that point. But the question here is the most common cause of death for us not to be able to live for 120 years are a few which have been listed here. These are the statistics worldwide, global health estimates of approximately 2016. The highest killer for men, women, irrespective, is ischemic heart diseases. The next comes stroke. It could be chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which is obstruction of our lungs, which is also most common in corona today. Low respiratory infections, Alzheimer's, trachea or bronchus lung related cancers, diabetes, road injury, diarrhea diseases, tuberculosis, and so on and so forth. But friends, the bottom line is what? We need to treat the disease, not the symptom. What happens when you get affected by any of these diseases is it begins with symptoms, but finally it will manifest in you in the form of a severe chronic disease. Now, how is this relevant, or how do you think does this make sense? If we talk about the world statistics versus Indian statistics of India with reference to population, with reference to birth rate, with reference to death rate. Population of the world is 780 crores. India is a good 138 crores. The birth rate is 13 crores, and in India, the birth rate is 2.7 crores. Death rates 5 crores. In India, we are almost at a crore. We are at 98 lakhs. But today we really think about it and realize, or it is beyond any thought that modern healthcare has progressed. But don't you think even the number of diseases that have started coming up has also not reduced? So precisely what I was telling you, what is it that is inevitable in our lives? If we are born, we will age, we will then finally go towards our death. Out of these four pictures that you see, what is it that is in our control? Out of these three, there is only diseases that is in our control, that we can take charge of, that we can prevent, protect ourselves, protect our families, and precisely that we are trying to do today. Yes, I can't say I'm happy with Corona, but I'm happy with the mindset change that it really could bring into people. Because till yesterday, till before Corona, even now, people who are healthy and they, I will call as happy go lucky industry people, they feel that whatever kind of mindsets, whatever kind of lifestyle, whatever kind of food they follow, they are healthy. They really think with all the goof offs that we do in our lives, with the fast food lifestyle, with the stress, with the things which we can't avoid, with the pollution, with everything, they feel I am healthy, so I have no chances of getting any diseases. And they really don't feel any need for even giving 1 second thought on, can I do something to prevent something? The realization isn't there, and they continue to make poor lifestyle choices. This is against, that is 80% of our population world over. It's not just confined or limited to India. 80% of the people around us think they are healthy people. And the balance 20%, they know, they realize they are sick, they are undergoing treatments, they are having medical complications, they may be having life threatening diseases. They have done, maybe they have not one but more than one lifestyle diseases, and they are trying to really make sincere and disciplined efforts. Let me see how can I get better, let me see how can I get back into good health, let me see how I can get back into my healthy life and a happy life. Well, friends, the real fact is these 80% of people who think I am healthy are in fact people who are waiting to fall sick. And that again, I go to the pandemic, we have realized healthy people also can get affected any day, any minute, any time. And hoping to get well someday, yes, all of us have realized that today, especially with the pandemic. Again, we get back to what are the kind of ignorances that we keep within ourselves when we have any kind of small symptoms or any kind of discomfort within us. What do we think? चलो यार छोड़ दो, इतना सा थोड़ा सा स्टमक पेन है, शायद मैंने कल कुछ एक्स्ट्रा खा लिया एंड मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, मैं शाम तक ठीक हो जाऊंगा, या मैं एक मील नहीं करूंगा, मैं कल तक डेफिनेटली बेटर हो जाऊंगा एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू माय नॉर्मल लाइफ. But sometimes, by ignoring these signs and symptoms, what we do is we try to suppress something our body gives as a signal, which can be alarm. And by just shutting off the alarm, जैसे हम सुबह उठने के लिए करते हैं, चल यार थोड़ा 5 मिनट और, वैसा we ignore our body signs and symptoms. Our body is the best healer, the best doctor, the best mechanism that can be made anywhere beyond thought and imagination. But if you are able to keep it healthy, only if you are able to keep it active, you're able to make it perform its functions normally by providing it what it needs. And precisely that we do every day. We eat, and our food is what is provided to our body to sustain, to remain healthy, to have a good, holistic, proper 100% functioning of our various metabolic functions of our body. एक दिन ऐसा भी आता है कि जब हम ये इग्नोर करके करके छोड़ यार बोल बोल के, देन फाइनली वी गेट ऑन टू द बेड और गेट सच अ बाउट ऑफ इलनेस कि हमें फिर जाकर डॉक्टर के पास दिखाना ही पड़ता है। एंड दैट इज द करंट हेल्थ केयर ट्रेंड। जब हम डॉक्टर के पास चले जाते हैं, वो हमको एक 5 दिन की दवाई देगा, ये लाल गोली, ये सफेद वाली गोली, ये छोटी पीली गोली, ये मल्टीविटामिन, ये एंटीबायोटिक, इसको आप 5 दिन ले लो, उसके बाद अगर ठीक नहीं लगे तो दोबारा वापस आ जाना। एंड फ्रेंड्स, सो मेनी ऑफ अस हैव टू गो बैक, we just cannot avoid it। और जब हम ये वापस जाते हैं, then we get into that vicious cycle। वो हमें एक फुल लिस्ट ऑफ ब्लड टेस्ट लिख के देगा, एक्सरे लिख के देगा, सोनोग्राफी लिख के देगा, डायग्नोस्टिक्स लिख के देगा, डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट आवर कंडीशन इज। एंड हम ये सोचते हैं कि चलो यार इंश्योरेंस है, आजकल प्री क्लेम भी हो जाता है, पोस्ट क्लेम भी हो जाता है, सब हो जाता है, उसमें कवर हो जाएगा, मेरे जेब से पैसा नहीं जा रहा। बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी एक्चुअली कॉज मोर हार्म टू आवरसेल्व्स। एंड हाउ लॉन्ग डू यू थिंक ये इंश्योरेंस एक टाइम लिमिट होता है, खत्म हो जाएगा, तब आप क्या करोगे? आप अपनी जेब से कितना खर्च करोगे? आप अपने आप को इग्नोर करके कितना यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज योरसेल्फ? वी आर ट्राइंग टू मैनेज आवरसेल्व्स, दैट इज हाउ द सिचुएशन इज। एंड इसके लिए of course when we are trying to manage ourselves by ignoring ourselves, it creates a pressure on the healthcare system. Again, the best example, it is so easy for me to make a presentation today because corona situation showed us कि एक डॉक्टर के लिए कम से कम 1000 पेशेंट्स वेट कर रहे हैं। How can one individual take care of it? The healthcare industry is trying to cope its maximum, but it is just not possible. It is inevitable कि हम अपने आप को कितना भी अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट देना चाहे, we will not be able to manage. We will have to look at something which is preventive, which can help us understand, give us, take some precautions for ourselves. And the precautions most commonly that we are doing today is our mask, is our sanitizers, our physical distancing. Now we have started exploring everything possible which will help us strengthen our immunity. It can be kadas, it can be supplements, it can be good food, it can be nutritious alternatives to food, whatever, it can be organic food, everything. Yes, we are going back to our Dadima's nuske, the traditional home remedies. Vaccines have come, but again, we thought, jab vaccine aayega, tab everybody will be safe. बट इफ यू इमेजिन वैक्सीन आके कितने लोगों तक पहुंचा, वो खत्म हो गया फ्रेंड्स। टुडे अगेन वी टॉक अबाउट द क्यूज। सो व्हाट इज इट ऑल अबाउट? हाउ डू आई, दिस इज ऑल एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स, हाउ डू आई स्टिल टेक केयर एंड हाउ डू आई स्टिल try to take charge of my life in my hands? Well friends, अगर हम देखें तो it's not just about falling sick. वेलनेस के बारे में अगर हम बात करें, विच इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ इलनेस, अगर हमें इलनेस नहीं चाहिए तो हमें वो अपने सोच को बदलना पड़ेगा। वी विल हैव टू एम्ब्रेस द कल्चर, द थॉट प्रोसेस एंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ वेलनेस, वेयर आज प्रिसाइसली मैं जो कर रही हूँ इज ट्राइंग टू मेक यू अवेयर, मेक यू रियलाइज कि वेलनेस इज मोर देन जस्ट बीइंग फ्री फ्रॉम इलनेस। आज हमें सिर्फ इलाज की जरूरत नहीं है बीमार पड़ने के बाद, but it is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. सिर्फ हम कहेंगे कि मैं आज बीमार नहीं हूं मतलब मैं वेल हूं, मैं अच्छा हूं, मैं ठीक हूं, नहीं फ्रेंड्स, यू आर जस्ट ऑन द वर्ज अगेन बिटवीन द 80-20। So what is it that we do? Like I mentioned earlier, urgency में हम जाते हैं, emergency care में, and we try to help ourselves take care of what has affected us. बट अगर हम एक विचार अलग सोचते हैं एंड वी थिंक अबाउट प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर, ये हमने बचपन से सुना है, बट टुडे वी आल्सो रियलाइज दैट प्रिवेंशन is not just better, it is so much more cheaper. I will add to this, it is safer and it is much comforting than going in for any kind of cure. So friends, इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है? You know, the best thing that Hippocrates said to us is let food be thy medicine. आज हम भले ही क्वारंटाइन में हो, हॉस्पिटल में हो, घर पर सेफ हो, फैमिली के साथ हो, अकेले हो, हम सब कम से कम अपना ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर we are still doing it, right? We are still eating our food. Medicines hai nahi hai, we are having some lifestyle diseases, that is separate. We are still eating our food every single day. So precisely what I'm trying to emphasize, because this wonderful velocity booster has a corporate philosophy which says, right from what Hippocrates said to us, let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Kyunki even Thomas Alva Edison, he mentioned that the doctor of the future will no longer treat the human frame with drugs, but rather will cure and prevent diseases with nutrition. आज हम जो भी इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं अपने लाइफ में इज ऑल न्यूट्रिशन. क्यों? इम्यूनिटी के लिए, जल्दी रिकवरी के लिए, हेल्दी रहने के लिए, फिट रहने के लिए, एवरीथिंग. वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू एवरीथिंग इवन दो वी आर कन्फाइंड टू होम. आवर वर्क लाइफ, आवर होम लाइफ इज ऑल फ्रॉम विद इन अ वेरी लिमिटेड स्पेस. सो फूड एज मेडिसिन एवरी डे is the corporate philosophy which we follow, and we try to share and inform people through Velocity Booster. Why? Because हम कहते हैं it is about a holistic well-being. It is not just about मेरा सर अच्छा है, गर्दन अच्छी है, बॉडी अच्छा है या हाथ और पैर अच्छे हैं. इट इज अबाउट मेरा पूरा शरीर हेल्दी है, मेरा पूरा शरीर अच्छा है. एंड दैट इज प्रिसाइसली बाय मेकिंग बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशियस ऑर्गेनिक फूड चॉइसेस. Organic, maybe you can afford, you can't afford, but it is very common these days. Everyone looks out for good quality, best quality, and these are our smart and wise lifestyle choices which will give us the best of holistic well-being. But again, if we think about it, कि आज हम अगर बीमार पड़ते हैं, so why does that happen? I am doing, I'll give you an example once we finish this quote. What Hippocrates also said is, illness does not come upon us out of the blue. हम अचानक बीमार नहीं पड़ते कि 1 minute now I am well and next minute I have fallen sick. ऐसा नहीं होता. They are developed from small daily sins against nature. अगर हमारी बॉडी हम देखें, लाइक आई सेड इन द बिगनिंग, इज द बेस्ट डॉक्टर. इट कैन हील इटसेल्फ, बट उसका एक प्रोसेस है, उसका संभाल या देख रेख करने का तरीका है, और उसको उसका बचाव करके रखने का तरीका है. सो इट विल गिव अस इट्स बेस्ट. एंड व्हेन इनफ सिंस हैव एक्यूमुलेटेड, अगर हम इसका शरीर का दुरुपयोग करते हैं, इट कुड बी फास्ट फूड, लाइक आई सेड, इट कुड बी नो स्लीपिंग, इट कुड बी गोइंग अगेंस्ट any kind of norms which is deviating from what regular people do. I will say majority of people know कि रात हो गई, हमको जल्दी सोना चाहिए, सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए, हमको ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम पे करना चाहिए, लंच डिनर टाइम पे करना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए. बट व्हेन वी ट्राई टू इग्नोर, चल यार एक्सरसाइज आज नहीं कल करते हैं, आज थोड़ा सो लेते हैं, वैसे भी लॉकडाउन चालू है, कहाँ कहीं कुछ जाना है, कुछ करना है. When these things, छोटी छोटी चीजें जमा होती है, हम धीरे धीरे निग्लेक्ट करते करते, ये सब we call it as correlate as sins. ये जब हम करते हैं, तब जब ये जमा हो जाए, जैसे श्री कृष्ण जी कहते थे 99 sins 100 हो जाएगा तो पाप का घड़ा full. That is precisely when illness will suddenly appear. So when negligence actually meets ignorance, हम ये जानकर नहीं करते, हम ये अनजाने में करते हैं, that is precisely when we fall sick and we feel, अरे ये तो अचानक बीमारी आ गई मुझे. ऐसा नहीं होता. Friends, I'll give you a very good live example that is around me these days. Okay, a friend used to very regularly sleep at 9:30, have very little dinner or negligible or no dinner, no heavy meals in the night, getting up early at 5:30, going for very regular walks, at least for 5 kilometers or about 30 to 40 minutes every single morning, and trying to do exercise within the house also, trying to do a little breathing and pranayam after food, before food. जैसे कहते हैं ना, ये पोज करो तो डाइजेशन बेटर होता है, ऐसे वैसे, all those things, taking living a life very very thinking that he is very very healthy. But let me tell you, the sins that we accumulate, they become a part of our life. हम एक दिन करते हैं, जैसे एक सिगरेट एक दिन पिया, फिर बाद में एक साल बाद देखा तो वो एक सिगरेट हर घंटे में भी पी रहा है. So that way we don't realize. lifestyle is such an important factor other than just genes. How food and lifestyle affects us, we will cover it gradually. This person suddenly 2 days back realized that person had a very severe infection. When gone for a test, he couldn't avoid, he was in so much of pain and problem, and he couldn't avoid going and seeing a doctor, seen by a surgeon, done a small procedure, realized and told by the doctors, jao jaake sugar check karao. Sugar fasting 300 and post lunch is 500. If people understand what is glyco-HB, that is your average sugar for the past 4 months is 12.5. Friends, I am in healthcare for the past 20 years. I am a diabetic for over 25 years. I have never seen this value of 12.5 as glyco-HB. This person, if he does not take charge of his life today, if he does not stop committing the sins that he has been accumulating, which has become his lifestyle today, then the only thing that I see ahead is an open door to the ICU, where he will go sleep there for about a couple of months, and then when the person wakes up, he will not be in a condition or in one piece to be able to be stable or take control of your life. So friends, don't wait to get into that situation. And precisely what I was saying, what is it that we talk about when we say sins? It is poor nutrition and dietary habits. It is lack of clean drinking water, poor air and environmental quality. Yes, we can try and avoid sometimes, but most of the time we cannot take control. But there are preventive measures we can take to safeguard ourselves. No or low physical activity, lack of adequate sleep, overweight, obesity, mental health or stress, tobacco, alcohol addictions, infections, viruses, bacteria, again out of our control nowadays, use of drugs and chemicals, again use of drugs, prescription medicines are totally out of our control. Today it is the situation, maybe tomorrow there will be many more out of these 10 factors which will get out of our control. But whatever is possible within our control are still a majority out of the 10 poor choices that we make. Well friends, when we talk about health, when we talk about staying fit, it is all about just 30% of workout or exercise or physical activity. 70% of who we are is 100% proven precisely. 70% is what we eat. What is it we put in our mouth, and what is it that is helping us stay healthy, maintain immunity, stay happy, stay fit, and the entire persona of a fit person versus a sick person. If you observe, you will see, just stand outside the ICU of any hospital or any healthcare setup, look inside, that is how a sick person feels. And look at somebody, look at a child, healthy, happy, playing even in this lockdown inside the house, running about full of energy. That is how it creates an entire positive atmosphere. But if we look at our healthcare, our system, our health, what are the parameters on which we assess ourselves or our doctors assess ourselves? It depends on our eating habits, our sleep time, our water intake, our height, weight, BMI, blood pressure. Doctor will give us a few tests. It can be scans, it can be x-rays, it can be some vitamin tests. But it is again a very proven fact today. This is sort of a picture of who I am today, as you can see me today. But if I am to know from within who I really am, then the most important factor that we recommend to you today is to understand what is in your genes, what is in your DNA, what is within you that is making who you are and showing us what you look like or what you feel. Well, DNA is precisely, we will call this as a genome patri. Genome patri is when you're born, you inherit your genes, your characters, your physical appearances, your health, your immunity. You inherit lot of all these parameters, and you bring it in a what do you say, in a magic box which is called as your DNA. This DNA brings all those characters, but other than bringing positives like long hair and beautiful fair skin, it will also bring you the health challenges which were existing, either manifested or not manifested in your genes, which comes from your father's side, say 7 generations, and your mother's side 7 generation. Once you receive this when you're born, this will not change. what will help it change is the previous slide. 70% of your diet will help it change, safeguard your interests, keep you healthy, and 30% of your fitness will support, so that the picture on the left hand side, you will not need to go back to your healthcare system. You become charge of your health. All of us would love to stay to 120 years, only if you are healthy, only if you feel that excitement, only if you know that you are capable of taking care of yourself. So what is it here that I am strongly recommending, or what is it that is going to revolutionize tomorrow of healthcare, is comparing what I'm talking with genetics versus what is existing. The existing model of healthcare talks to us about, when I get a disease, I will become active, I will react to it, I will go and see a doctor, the doctor will do my disease management, and irrespective of whether a male gets fever or a female gets fever or a child gets fever, the system of treatment, the protocol as such that we follow in the healthcare system is very very generalized. इट इज प्रिसाइसली व्हाट आई मेंशनड इन द बिगनिंग. 4-5 दिन के लिए गोलियां ले लो, फिर ठीक नहीं हुआ तो दोबारा आओ, फिर डायग्नोस्टिक्स टेस्ट कराओ, फिर एक सेट ऑफ मेडिसिन, एंड देन gradually, slowly accumulating, you will realize it becomes such an expensive affair, which today many of us are not able to afford. But if I recommend to you, if I suggest to you, today I'm teaching you a model of healthcare which will transform the entire scenario. अगर आज आप अपने आप के बारे में जानकार बन सकते हो और आपको ये जानकारी मिल जाए कि आपको कल क्या हो सकता है और किस चीज के बीमारी के होने के चांसेस हैं, या आपका इम्यूनिटी कितना अच्छा है और आपको इस पे और क्या काम करना है जिससे वो 100% परफेक्ट बन के आपको सुरक्षित रख सके और आपका बचाव कर सके. प्रिसाइसली दैट विल हेल्प यू बिकम प्रोएक्टिव इन लाइफ. आप कल की सेहत के लिए आज ही उस पे एक्शन लेंगे. It will help you prevent what is going to be harmful for you tomorrow. And yes, दिस विल बी डिफरेंट. जैसे हम कहते हैं ट्विंस में भी उनके फिंगरप्रिंट्स अलग होते हैं, उनके आइरिस अलग होते हैं, उनका बहुत बार ब्लड ग्रुप भी अलग हो सकता है. सो दैट इज हाउ इट इज दैट एवरी सिंगल इंडिविजुअल का ये पर्सनलाइज ट्रीटमेंट होता है. देयर इज नो स्टैंडर्ड कि एक मेल को XX बीमारी का चांस है और दूसरे फीमेल को XX बीमारी का चांस है. दोनों का ट्रीटमेंट 100% सेम नहीं होगा. It will be 100% personalized to you, and that is how, if we can help you understand and predict your future, I'm sure this new model of healthcare, how many of us would like to adopt? Quickly, yes. Me, whoever. Great, excellent. So what am I talking about? Today it is all about this very, very disruptive new science called as nutrigenomics. Nutrigenomics क्या है? Nutrigenomics is the scientific study of the interaction of nutrition and genes. जैसे हमने पहले देखा, 70% of food is responsible for our fitness and who we are. तो जो खाना हम खाते हैं वो इन genes को, इन parameters को affect करते हैं, उन पे असर करते हैं और उनको अच्छा या बुरा होने पे मजबूर करते हैं. And that gets manifested or depicted, और उसे कहेंगे कि हमें वो बीमारी हो सकती है just by nutrition, या हमें वो बीमारी हम prevent कर सकते हैं just by using nutrition again. So especially with regard to the prevention and treatment of diseases, this science of nutrigenomics is like a high level of nutrition counseling and nutrition advice based on your genes. Friends, this I call it as a disruptive technology because this is going to catch up very soon. अगर आपने latest 2 दिन पहले का news देखा, so it was there was a news which said कि मेन में जीन्स कौन से कोरोना इफेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जिनको हो सकता है कोरोना, समथिंग लाइक दैट. दैट न्यूज वाज आउट, दैट हैज बीन सेग्रीगेटेड समवेयर इन द वेस्ट. So genes are very important. Once you understand and you take care of them with the right nutrition, nutrition can either trigger a बीमारी or it will totally help prevent that बीमारी, कितना भी आपका genetically वो family में हो. जैसे हम कहते हैं हमारे तो खानदान में ही डायबिटीज है, हमारे तो खानदान में ही आर्थराइटिस है, बट ये जरूरी थोड़ी है कि वो आपको अफेक्ट करे, खानदान में कुछ भी रहे। बट अगर आज हम आपको बता सकते हैं कि आप अपने लाइफस्टाइल को कैसे कंट्रोल करें, अपने खान पान से कैसे सेहत बनाए रखें कि आपका वो खानदानी बीमारी आपको कभी अफेक्ट नहीं होगा। हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस वुड वांट टू नो दैट? So let us say goodbye to the one size fit all traditional methods of treatment and welcome to this modern science of nutrigenomics जो सिर्फ diet और exercise की मदद से is helping people globally stay healthy, and this is one big initiative which for the first time as a pioneer and market leader in the science of nutrigenomics in India, Velocity Booster in collaboration with Velocity Genetics has implemented, has brought into India for fifth year going on right now. 4 years पहले ये company start हुई थी, predictive genetic sequencing. And yes, iske through we are creating mass genomic awareness also in association with our Vignet, which is the Velocity Institute of Genomics, Nutrition and Entrepreneurship Training. वेल हमारी कॉर्पोरेट फिलोसफी, हमारा विजन ये है टू बी अ लीडिंग ग्लोबल वेलनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डिलीवरिंग इनोवेटिव एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन वेलनेस सॉल्यूशंस टू people from all walks of life, male, female, student, entrepreneur, business person, whatever, job person, anybody. We are here to help people, every in human being, every individual. And हमारी एक छोटी सी मिशन है, ये सोचते हैं हम कि 2025 तक हम 1 करोड़ लोगों की लाइफ टच करेंगे। रिमेंबर व्हाट इज आवर पॉपुलेशन? 138 करोड़। अगर हम 1 करोड़ लाइफ भी टच कर सकें, सो वी विल फील वी हैव बीन वेरी सक्सेसफुल एंड वी हैव बीन एबल टू मेक एन इम्पैक्ट इन द लाइव्स ऑफ लॉट ऑफ पीपल by being loyal wellness ambassadors. So we aspire to make a difference in each and every individual's lives जिसके भी संपर्क में हम और आपके जैसे लोग आते हैं, आ सकते हैं। This is all about welcome to the world of genetics. ये सारी चीजें, ये सारी बातें कहाँ से इसकी शुरुआत हुई? There was a project which was called as the Human Genome Project जो 1990 से 2003 तक चला, एंड जिसमें ये जेनेटिक्स में एक पी वटाना, ओके, मटर पे से रिसर्च शुरू होके उनके जेनेटिक फैक्टर्स क्या होते हैं, कैसे असर करते हैं, क्या इफेक्ट करते हैं, वो पूरा 13 साल के रिसर्च ने हमको ये बताया कि टुडे इट इज पॉसिबल टू टेक चार्ज ऑफ योर लाइफ बाय जस्ट टेकिंग चार्ज ऑफ व्हाट यू पुट इन योर माउथ, हाउ यू लिव, एंड द खाना पीना पानी and your good nutrition will help you stay healthy. That is what the whole research started about, and it went down to the lowest factor, that is our genes. अभी अगर हम ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी देखें तो ये जीन्स कहाँ आते हैं? हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ लॉट्स ऑफ सिस्टम्स। ये सिस्टम्स, ईच सिस्टम इज मेड अप ऑफ अ सेट ऑफ ऑर्गन्स बनते हैं, ईच ऑर्गन इज मेड अप ऑफ टिश्यू, हम जिसे मांसपेशियां भी कहते हैं, एंड ईच टिश्यू इज मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स। इस सेल के अंदर क्या होता है? इट्स लाइक अ एंटायर जॉइंट फैमिली। व्हेन आई लुक एट दिस पिक्चर आई सी दैट there are so many aspects, so many parts in it, there are so many functionaries in it, and इसका सबसे बड़ा सेंटर जो हम हेड ऑफ द फैमिली कह सकते हैं, दिल, उसके सेंटर में होता है न्यूक्लियस। न्यूक्लियस के अंदर, सेल के अंदर होता है न्यूक्लियस के अंदर होते हैं क्रोमोसोम्स, और क्रोमोसोम्स बनते हैं हमारे डीएनए से। दिस इज प्रिसाइसली द सेगमेंट्स, जो क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं इन पेयर्स, दे आर वेरी वेरी क्लोजली, उनको जैसे हमारी पुराने जमाने के टेलीफोन की वायर होती ही, दे आर कॉम्पैक्टली अरेंज्ड, एंड दीज हैव आवर डीएनए विच इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेगमेंट्स, एंड वी कॉल देम एज जीन्स। इस जीन्स के अंदर होते हैं हमारे सारा पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर, जिसे हम डीएनए भी कहते हैं, एंड दे आर ऑल मेड ऑफ प्रोटीन हार्डवेयर। एंड हमारे ये जो सेल होते हैं उसको हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं बड़ी सी फैक्ट्री से। तो हमारे ऐसे कितने सेल्स होते हैं एक ह्यूमन बीइंग में? एटलीस्ट 37.2 ट्रिलियन सेल्स, एंड हर सेल में देर आर दीज डीएनए comes in form of pairs, base pairs, एंड हमारे हर सेल में 37.2 ट्रिलियन में हर एक में मिनिमम 3 बिलियन बेस पेयर्स ऑफ डीएनए होते हैं। ये बहुत बड़ा नंबर है। सिंपल अगर हम समझना चाहें, सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्ट्रेच दिस एंटायर डीएनए ऑफ वन ह्यूमन बीइंग, इट विल गो एटलीस्ट 6,000 टाइम्स बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड द मून। 6,000 उनके राउंड बन सकते हैं, इतना लंबा होता है हर इंसान के अंदर उनका डीएनए। एंड आपके और मेरे बीच में फर्क कितना है? 99.9% of our DNA sequences are exactly the same as other human beings. Difference is just 0.1%, जिससे आप और मैं अलग दिखते हैं, अलग व्यवहार करते हैं, अलग स्वभाव होता है, अलग बाल होते हैं, अलग आंखों का कलर होता है, अलग हाइट होता है, अलग वेट होता है। Yes, of course, this is how a DNA looks like. There's been a Nobel Prize given in medicine for the research of this DNA structure, which is also called as the Watson and Crick model. But this is again too much of science. It is for a later day. Simple चीज हमें ये समझना है कि what percentage of your genes, सिर्फ genes human beings में होते हैं? नहीं, हर living thing में genes होते हैं, और हर living thing में genes होने से there is a difference in each of us. हमारे human beings के genes match होते हैं 18% with plant genes, 26% with yeast, 44% with what we call as Drosophila or fruit fly, 92% माइस और हमारे जीन्स सिमिलर होते हैं, डीएनए सिमिलर होते हैं। एंड उसकी वजह से जो भी रिसर्च होता है, दवाइयाँ होती है, मेडिसिन होते हैं, वो मेजरली माइस और चिंपैंजीज या मंकीज पे भी आजकल किया जाता है। But friends, the only difference between a human being and a chimpanzee, 98% हमारा DNA match होता है। I think वो 2% we can always give credit to the pooch that we don't have, and the chimpanzees also reduced it from the monkeys. So we are all like monkeys, and given an opportunity, I'm sure all of us are going to be loving to stay that way. Well, friends, it is all about knowing your body, taking control of your health just precisely by understanding your genetic code. Genetic code में आपको ये पता चलेगा मुझे क्या बीमारी हो सकती है, whether it is Parkinson's, मुझे obesity, cancer, मुझे Alzheimer's होगा, अस्थमा होगा, कैंसर होगा, obesity, malignant melanoma, any kind of diseases. और ये साइंस इतना आज एडवांस हो रहा है, अवेयरनेस क्रिएट हो रहा है, that even our parliament is our Lok Sabha is considering and passing the DNA technology use and applications regulation bill, and that has been put up in 2019 on the 25th of July. Once this comes, this revolution in healthcare is just round the corner, friends, and it is going to be part of our lives. When we talk about DNA, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, DNA is in 3 major aspects. एक जो crime में use होता है, whether it is paternity, whether it is any murders, whether it is any rapes happening, that is all not in our hands. We don't do that. Again, in medical fraternity, in medical field, it is about clinical DNA जो healthcare professionals prescribe करते हैं, and only by prescription ये tests होते हैं, which are very, very expensive. Well, today I'm talking about something which is in our reach, जो आपके मेरे हाथ में है. It is about wellness DNA. Wellness DNA is all about food. It is all about our exercises, how fit we are, how fit we can remain, and it is about our simple lifestyle modification. So friends, अगर आपको अपना लाइफ अपने कंट्रोल में लाना है, इम्यूनिटी मेंटेन करना है, अपनी सुरक्षितता मेंटेन करना है, एंड ऐसे लगना चाहिए कि यस, मेरी मुट्ठी में मेरी हेल्थ है, मेरी सेहत है. So before it gets too late, take care of your nutrition, take care of your water, especially understand the benefits of alkaline water. फ्रेश एयर, जब भी मौका मिले मास्क लगाकर बाहर जाइए, ट्राई टू टेक सम फ्रेश एयर. यस, ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज पॉसिबल. एक्सरसाइज एंड योर लाइफस्टाइल, ऑल दिस, ये 5 चीजों के बारे में अगर आपने ध्यान दिया विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस जेनेटिक टेक्नोलॉजी, विच विल गिव यू द वार्निंग साइंस, विच विल गिव यू the ability to control yourself and take care of what is going to harm you tomorrow. This is where you will be able to take charge of your life. और हमारे ये प्रोग्राम्स क्या होते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं? बेसिकली सिंपल ये डायग्नोस्टिक टेस्ट है विथ अ एंटायर टेक केयर प्रोग्राम फॉर यू. What we do is the sample of choice is your saliva, ताकि अगर एक दिन के बच्चे का भी, वो बच्चा पैदा हो चुका है, उसके डीएनए आ चुके हैं उसके माँ बाप से, वो बदलेंगे नहीं उनके लाइफ टाइम में, उसका भी हम सलाइवा ले सकते हैं. So once you place an order for the saliva kit, which is available with the company will ship it free to you, and you can give your saliva test under the guidance of whoever has invited you here today. They will help you, guide you, and give you either live instructions or videos are available कि without contamination वो sample खराब किए बिना हम कैसे हमारा सैंपल कलेक्ट करके कंपनी को भेज सकते हैं विद इन अबाउट 21 वर्किंग डेज। आपका इस सलाइवा से एंटायर जीन्स सेग्रीगेट होके उसका एक डिटेल्ड जेनेटिक रिपोर्ट बनता है वेयर वी कवर 210 different DNA, genes, aspects, parameters today. You will get almost a 250 plus page report. उसके बाद जब आपका कोई भी रिपोर्ट आता है आपको जाना पड़ता है किसी स्पेशलिस्ट या डॉक्टर के पास टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. So you get back to our company, you get back to our trained nutrigenomic counselors जो nutrition भी जानते हैं, genetics भी जानते हैं, जो specialists हैं इस report को पढ़ने के लिए, जो आपको अपने बारे में बहुत सारी जानकारी दे सकते हैं and जो आपका health goal आपको achieve करने में मदद कर सकते हैं. आपको ये बताया जाएगा, आपको ये सिखाया जाएगा कि आपको कल अपनी सेहत अच्छी रखने के लिए क्या करना है. It will again be given to you in the form of a written report. And yes, this is not one time it may be 1.5 hours, but अगर आपको फिर भी कोई दिक्कत हो, फिर भी कोई चैलेंज हो, फिर भी कोई अंडरस्टैंडिंग में डिफरेंस हो, you can always get back to our those trained nutrition counselors which will be available for 1 full year via our help desk and assistance. And the best part is you must have heard about stem cell banking, gene banking. Similarly हमारा ये gene banking होता है which is again available in the same cost. I will come to the cost near towards the end of the presentation friends, but in the same expense ये entire 1 year का program है which is going to help you stay healthy. और इस program में हम क्या cover करते हैं? Like I mentioned, we cover 210 genes, factors, parameters which affect you, which affect your health, which affect your body, and we covered this under 18 different profiles. The first profile is nutritional deficiency, where of course we let you know about, it's not just about आज मेरा blood report B12 या vitamin D का normal है. It's about telling you कि आपका लाइफ टाइम में ये रिपोर्ट नॉर्मल रहेगा या आपका आज की तारीख में मे बी बिकॉज यू आर टेकिंग मल्टीविटामिन्स आपका विटामिन बी नॉर्मल है या एक्सेस है, बट tomorrow it may stay that way if you do not have a deficiency of vitamin B12 जो जीन्स में आई है. अगर है तो you will never know till you fall sick, till it affects your metabolism, till it really affects and harms your body अंदर से and you're not able to take care. It talks about various metabolism factors, it talks about nutrients, it talks about various vitamins which we very commonly, D again is very commonly known today because of corona. We talk about zinc, we talk about copper, we talk about micronutrients like selenium, we talk about vitamin K, which is very important clotting factor. Then again, the next parameter that we covered, the next profile is food intolerances. Food intolerances ऐसा है कि अगर आपको किसी चीज को, मैं सिंपल हिंदी में कहूंगी, मुझे ये सूट नहीं करता, सुना है आप लोगों ने, तो ये आपका शरीर आपको बता नहीं पाएगा, उसकी जुबान, उसके माउथ, उसके कान नहीं है जो वो आपको बाहर निकल के बता पाए मुझे ये सूट नहीं कर रहा. सो व्हाट डू वी सी मोस्ट कॉमनली, क्या सूट नहीं करता? देयर आर मेजर इंटॉलरेंसेस व्हिच हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ ग्लूटेन, व्हिच कैन हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ मिल्क, दैट इज लैक्टोज, द शुगर फाउंड इन द मिल्क. इट कैन ऑल्सो बी बिकॉज ऑफ टी कॉफी दैट वी हैव. इट कैन कॉज यू ओबेसिटी, इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ सॉल्ट कॉमनली हमें पता है, प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन आर ऑलवेज सेड अच्छा पैर में थोड़े स्वेलिंग्स आ गए, ठीक है आप सॉल्ट कम ले लो. So there is also blood pressure response to sodium which is present in salt. We call it as salt sensitivity. Again, there is risk of developing any kind of allergies. आजकल वेस्ट में there is very commonly used peanut butter. I love peanut butter, but ये peanut की भी लोगों को एलर्जी होती है, and that इट मे नॉट नेसेसरीली एलर्जी मतलब हमको लगता है अच्छा यहाँ थोड़ी खुजली हो गई, यहाँ थोड़ा रैश हो गया, थोड़ा शक्ल पे कुछ बॉयल्स आ गए. नो फ्रेंड्स, इट कैन इम्पैक्ट यू इंटरनली. और अगर आपको ये पता चले कि इन चीज़ों में से किसी भी चीज़ में आपको इंटॉलरेंस है, जस्ट इमेजिन अगर मी एज अ साउथ इंडियन आई स्टॉप हैविंग कॉफी जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम इंटॉलरेंट टू कैफीन, I will reduce my blood pressure and heart attack risk for life. So isn't it worth it, friends, if I can do something like that? Yes. हम intolerances और vitamins के बाद में most important, the biggest organ of our body is our skin. So what is it that we want? We always want कि हमारी skin अच्छी दिखे, bright दिखे, गोरी रहे, tan नहीं हो, sunburns नहीं हो, acne pimples नहीं आए, हमें किसी भी चीज की vitamins या minerals की deficiency के वजह से कोई तकलीफ नहीं हो, psoriasis नहीं हो. All these parameters, yes, it comes to you in your genes. और अगर आपको पता चले कि इसके आपको रिस्क है, फ्रेंड्स सिंपल सा सॉल्यूशन है. यू विल बी गिवन आपके डेली खान पान में simple minute modifications and changes, जिससे you will be able to keep all these away for life. You don't have to suddenly get up one morning and realize your sugar is 500. Okay, you just keep it away by doing this report. You keep this because this is once in a lifetime. Weight management, obesity risk, 1 in 4 is obese in India. Okay, that's minimum. And children में भी obesity है आज. क्यों? बिकॉज हम बच्चों की जिद पे जाते हैं. मेरे बच्चे ने कहा मुझे फ्रेंच फ्राइज ही चाहिए, मुझे खाना नहीं चाहिए. ओके बच्चा मत रोना, फ्रेंच फ्राइज आ जाएंगे, अभी तो एनीवेज होम डिलीवरीज भी है. सो देयर इज नो डर्थ ऑफ, हमें जो चाहिए हम अपने बच्चों को प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ओबेसिटी रिस्क क्या होता है, वेदर आइडियल वेट लॉस डाइट आप पे काम करेगा. अगर आपने वेट लूज कर लिया है, साम दाम दंड भेद कुछ भी किया, वेट लॉस हो गया, देन व्हाट अबाउट द जीन विच टेल्स यू अबाउट द वेट रीगेन रिस्क. वो आप में हाई है, लो है, आपको फिर से पता चले कि 10 किलो कम किया था, थोड़े दिन बाद 10 किलो कम किया की खुशी में 15 किलो फिर बढ़ गया. Okay, so it is not just about your eating, it is also in your genes, whether it will work on you, आपका dieting कैसे अच्छा रहेगा, whether there is something called as satiety. Satiety is which tells you that आपके शरीर में खाना आप जब खाते हो तो स्टमक से एक सिग्नल जाता है दिमाग में कि पेट भर गया, बस करो. बट अगर वो किसी का सिग्नल लेट जाए तो उससे वो इंसान खाता रहेगा, खाता रहेगा, खाता रहेगा. And you will not realize that will give you other problems, other issues. But simple solution जो मेरी dietitian ने मुझे दिया for this satiety gene is I have one banana every morning in spite of being diabetic. I have one banana, small elaichi banana in the morning before my breakfast, and that takes care of my satiety gene. Isn't it simple, friends? Rather than just keeping on eating whole day, एक इलायची केला सुबह मैंने लिया and उससे I am able to avoid so much more. There is also a lot of significance about ginger supplementation जिससे appetite response पे असर होता है. Then again we talk about BMI response to PUFA, MUFA जो harmful, useful fats होते हैं. Tendency of snacking between meals, everything is correlated and everything is responsible for impacting your weight management and obesity. Again another big lifestyle बीमारी, कुछ साल पहले तक 1 in 4 था, today it is almost 1 in 2 are getting diabetic. So what is the diabetes risk? People who do not have a family history, जिनको obvious नहीं है, उनको भी आज डायबिटीज हो रहा है. सो व्हाई नॉट यू नो इन एडवांस कि मेरा डायबिटीज टाइप 2 रिस्क क्या है, इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी हाई है, लो है, नहीं है, सेफ है. What is going to be my HbA1c, that is the average glucose of 4 months, response to fiber. ये what do you say, ये ट्रेडिशन है कि डायबिटिक हो बहुत सारा फाइबर खाओ. बट फ्रेंड्स फाइबर इन लोगों को हेल्प नहीं करता. इन मेनी पीपल फाइबर लेने से उनका शुगर बढ़ता है. So it is said about glucose tolerance to dietary fat, dietary fiber. We talk about ketogenic diets. We talk about dinner timings. We talk about diabetic cataract, उसके जो complications होते हैं. We talk about diabetic nephropathy, diabetic neuropathy. इस सब के हम सब पे क्या असर होने वाला है, हमारे में वो chances हैं कि हमें ये सब हो सकता है. बेसिक अगर आप ये जान लो कि आपका इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी कितना है तो हमें इन सब कॉम्प्लिकेशंस में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. बिकॉज हम उसको जैसे भी से निप इट इन द बड, हम उसको उत्पन्न होने से पहले ही उसको हम मार सकेंगे, रोक सकेंगे. We also talk about thyroid health because friends, like I said, it's a total holistic program. We talk about each and every organs, each and every part of our body. As much bimari can be covered, 210 tests helps us understand more than 300 to 350 diseases which can come right from allergies to cancers. We talk about thyroid health. आजकल thyroidism, hypothyroid, hyperthyroid बहुत common हो गया है. It is also associated with diabetes. There is another syndrome called as Hashimoto's thyroiditis. ये सब complications आज हम जानते हैं because like I said in the beginning, diseases कम नहीं हुए. हम अल्कोहल, हम स्मोकिंग की बात करते हैं, उससे भी थायराइड से पे असर होता है. हमारी स्लीप पैटर्न से भी थायराइड पे असर होता है. हमारे आयोडीन इनटेक विच कम्स फ्रॉम सॉल्ट से भी थायराइड पे असर होता है. बट डिड वी एवर थिंक अबाउट ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स? वी जस्ट से हाँ थायराइड हो गया. We don't even say hypo or hyper, but इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Remember we spoke about we accumulate lot of sins कहीं ना कहीं से 1%, और वो जिस दिन आके हमारे दिल को पकड़ ले, yes, that day we will have our cardiac health issues. So what is it that included in our cardiac profile? कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, लिपिड प्रोफाइल है, हाइपर ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स है. वी टॉक अबाउट हाइपरटेंशन रिस्क, मतलब ब्लड प्रेशर होने का रिस्क क्या है. वी टॉक अबाउट लिपिड्स, वी टॉक अबाउट एथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस, वी टॉक अबाउट मायोकार्डियल इंफार्क्शन, हार्ट अटैक होने का चांस है नहीं है. अगर मुझे ब्लड प्रेशर है तो मैं जो दवाइयाँ लेता हूँ या लेती हूँ वो मुझ पर कितना असर करेगी. What is my chances of getting coronary heart disease in future? All these factors are covered under our cardiac profile. After you think about your skin, your heart, your diabetes, your obesity, of course there are other organs in the body. So we talk about gallstone का predisposition आजकल बहुत commonly आता है. If you have gallstones, most of the times it is turning cancerous and affecting your entire body. You have to be very careful. But again, सतर्क हो जाइए. ये रिपोर्ट कराने से आपको वो जानकारी मिलेगी, आप सतर्क हो जाओगे एंड उससे आप अपने आप की जिंदगी अपने हाथ में कंट्रोल कर पाओगे. We talk about ulcerative colitis, that is inflammatory bowel syndrome. We talk about alcoholic liver disease. We talk about glaucoma risk. We talk about cataract, आंखें हैं, hearing loss है, gum disease है. We talk about liver cirrhosis. We talk about impact of alcohol on liver cirrhosis. कुछ लोगों को they might never have touched alcohol, they still have liver cirrhosis, they have fatty liver, they have cancers. All this impacted by maybe one small factor. और ये कब पता चलता है? The root cause of any disease we get to know by doing these, the entire profile, the lifetime genetics program. Yes, it is for a lifetime. It is a genetics program and based on the science of nutrigenomics. We also talk about CKD, kidney health. Kidney is one of our major organs जो अपना शरीर के गंदगी बाहर करता है, साफ करता है. And yes, kidney health is affected by, we understand what is the risk of me getting kidney disease, chronic kidney disease, CKD जिसे कहते हैं. That can be affected by the sodium potassium intake which you have. If there is an imbalance, then it will affect and give you a predisposition. इतने सारे लोग आज डायलिसिस के लिए भी लाइन लगा के रखते हैं. I know somebody who travels at least twice a week. He travels for a dialysis session. He travels almost 20 kilometers. It is not worth it, friends. हम एक बार जान ले तो हम अपने आप की बचाव करने के लिए, it is expense of physical trauma, it is physical exertion, it is money spent, it is time spent. आप अपने जॉब पे नहीं जा पाओगे, आप अपना अच्छा खाना नहीं खा पाओगे, रेगुलर हैबिट्स नहीं फॉलो कर पाओगे. इट इज़ नॉट वर्थ इट फ्रेंड्स. एक बार आप ये टेस्ट कर लीजिए, जान लीजिए, टेक चार्ज ऑफ योर हेल्थ. Then we talk about immunity. Immunity is correlated to our inflammatory diseases. The amount of inflammation हमारे शरीर में आ सकता है shows us कि हमारी immunity low है. सिंपल इज रिस्क ऑफ इन्फ्लेमेशन क्या है हमारी बॉडी में वो पता कर सकते हैं, वो पता चलता है. स्किन एलर्जी की टेंडेंसी क्या है? अगेन इन्फ्लेमेटरी अदर सिंड्रोम्स आर एलर्जिक राइनाइटिस, इट इज टेंडेंसी फॉर ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस, रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस, अस्थमा इज ऑल्सो एन इन्फ्लेमेटरी डिसीज, पैनक्रियाटाइटिस and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. All these are examples. और इसमें से I am sure most of you have heard almost all the names, maybe except one or two names. क्यों? ये हमारे डैडी, दादा, उनके प्रीवियस परदादा, उनके ज़माने में नहीं था. Why all these diseases today? Yes, stop accumulating your sins. The day you realize ये है, हम अपने आप अपना sin का पिटारा बंद करके, today after corona we are going to ensure that we get healthy. Again, we talk about brain health, neurological health. Usme bhi we have almost 25 different genetic tests that we do, which will cover right from pain sensitivity, septic shock, that is full body में infection होने का क्या chances है, कॉफी पीने से मुझे क्या तकलीफ हो सकती है, पैनिक डिसऑर्डर कैसे होता है, which can be due to sleep, due to coffee, due to exercise, due to medication, due to alcohol, due to smoking. Then again, बहुत लोगों को एक आदत होती है, वो बैठे रहते हैं या कुछ भी करते रहते हैं तो ऐसा पैर हिलते रहता है. That's called as restless leg syndrome. That is also affected by your physical activity, iron rich foods. Friends, ये रिपोर्ट करने के बाद मुझे बहुत कुछ रियलाइज हुआ कि ये टेंडेंसीज जो हम सोचते हैं, यार पैर मत हिला, हम ऐसा इरिटेट होते हैं सामने वाले को बोल के, बट यू नेवर नो व्हाट इज द रूट कॉज. शायद वो बहुत सारा आयरन रिच फूड ले रहा है, शायद वो बहुत सारा कैफीन ले रहा है. सो दीज आर सिंपल थिंग्स. अगेन वी टॉक अबाउट अटेंशन डेफिसिट हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी डिसऑर्डर. ये सिर्फ बच्चों में ही नहीं, इट इज ऑल्सो देयर विथ people like you and me in adults, and it really affects the entire atmosphere of the people who stay with that one person. Again, we talk about cheese, we talk about migraine, we talk about pesticide exposure, Alzheimer's, autism. All these various 24 25 parameters are covered in this profile. Friends, मैं नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ हेल्थ केयर की बात कर रही हूँ, एंड दैट्स प्रिसाइसली व्हेन ऑल दिस अगर हम आज जान सकते हैं, इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ वाओ टुमारो, इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ हेल्दी हैप्पी टुमारो. ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर्स और एडिक्शन रिस्क की हम बात करें, कई बार अल्कोहल, स्मोकिंग सब आ चुका है, बट ये टेंडेंसी भी हमारे जीन्स में आती है, हमारे जीन्स में आने के चांस होते हैं. हमको पहले ही पता चलेगा कि मेरा अभी बच्चा 20 साल का हो गया, उसको अल्कोहलिक टेंडेंसी, स्मोकिंग टेंडेंसी, ड्रग अब्यूज टेंडेंसी है नहीं है, तो ताकि उसका मैं ख्याल देखभाल एटलीस्ट 4 साल 5 साल पहले कर सकूं. Friends, the best gift that I gave my daughter when she turned 18 was the gift of getting this genetic test done for her. It is not about money because this is peanuts. If you compare it with the clinical genetic test, jiska cost is skyrocketing, uske badle mein this is, friends, peanuts. We talk about dopamine, that is happy hormone. We talk about depression risk. We talk about again anxiety disorder risk. We talk about dependency on alcohol and smoking and drugs, and yes, all this most important, we also talk about a decision making ability. आप ये जानोगे कि आप में या आपके बच्चे में कितना वो कहते हैं ना फर्मनेस है कि ये डिसीजन यस और नो ले पाता है या नहीं ले पाता है, या जिंदगी भर वो इंसान मे बी वाले चक्कर में बीच में बैठा रहेगा. That helps control our entire life, entire future. I will say decision making, if you don't do it in your career, in your life, in your relations, it is really really harmful. Well, we also talk about gender specific risks, where we talk about male and female health, and this covers for females right from the common polycystic ovarian syndrome, neural tube defects which will affect offsprings. We talk about pregnancy outcomes due to प्रीनेटल कैफीन इंटेक. अगर जिंदगी भर कैफीन लिया है, चाय कॉफी लिया है, स्मोक किया है, तो उससे क्या बच्चे पर असर हो सकता है. Of course, spot baldness is not restricted only to males. It is also in females. Alopecia areata, spot baldness females में भी genetically determined है, हो सकता है. You may have the tendency, you might just have hair fall because of ill health. That is again one factor जो आपको बहुत कुछ बताता है अपने health के बारे में. We talk about male health, where we talk about male for infertility. We talk about alcohol consumption ka effect on his cholesterol levels, testosterone response, and yes, of course, spot baldness. Men, I will not say all men are bald, but most of them do get as they age. एजिंग की बात करें तो डीएनए डैमेज एंड बायोलॉजिकल एजिंग, कौन यंग नहीं रहना चाहेगा? एंड सिंपल फूड सब्सटेंसेस लाइक हु डजंट लव तंदूरी फूड, वेदर इट इज तंदूरी पनीर या इट इज तंदूरी चिकन, जो चिकन पे जो चारिंग होता है that causes lot of toxicity risk and it can cause DNA damage, it can reduce your lifespan longevity and it can affect your aging gracefully, जिसे मैं कहती हूँ everyone. If you see somebody very charismatic at the age of 75 looking young, beautiful, nice soft skin, glowing, don't you think you want to live that kind of a life? Friends, it is possible if you understand your health from within. It is possible to stay that way however you want. It is not just about positive thinking. जैसे पूजा बेदी was telling us in the beginning when we saw the video, it is in your mind, but that decision you have to take today, you have to take now. Do I want to take charge and control of my health? Well, हम बीमार पड़ेंगे, कभी ना कभी बीमार पड़ेंगे, but there are certain medicines which are quite high level drugs which may be given in severe circumstances or in diseases. जैसे अभी हम steroids की बात करते हैं कोरोना में, similarly there are other drugs जिसका response अपने body में कैसा है, कैसा होना चाहिए, whether it will be good, it will be bad, it will help me. The common choice of drug for diabetics is metformin, but me personally metformin does not help me. It affects, it causes a reaction within my stomach lining. I cannot take metformin, but ये मैं जाके अगर मेरे डॉक्टर से कहूँ मुझे metformin नहीं लेना, मैं ये दवाई नहीं लूंगी, दूसरा कुछ दो, वो बोलेगा तू डॉक्टर या मैं डॉक्टर, metformin ही लेना पड़ेगा. But if you have this kind of a genetic report and you can tell him मुझे metformin सूट नहीं करेगा, ये मेरे genes में लिखा हुआ है, मैं ऐसे ही पैदा हुआ with these characters, of course your doctor, because this is very scientifically driven, your doctor will agree, take a look at the report, and yes, that will help you make healthy, better decisions. So here, drug response, we also talk about personality disorders, we talk about response to statins, we talk about type 2 diabetes में metformin के अलावा there are other molecules like sulfonylureas, like glitazones. All these are alternatives which can be given. A नहीं तो B नहीं तो C, which is best suited. Doctor साहब आप मुझे वही दीजिए so I can stay healthy without any side effects, without any other problems arising. Well, most important 30%, 70% अभी most of it we covered. 30% जो हमने कहा था फिटनेस के लिए एक्सरसाइज. हम ये सोचेंगे चलो मेरा नेबर है ना रोज कार्डियो करता है, मस्त क्या फिट बॉडी है, मैं मुझे भी अभी जैसे ही जिम खुलेंगे ना मैं मेंबरशिप लूंगा और मैं उसको बोलूंगा मुझे रोज कार्डियो करना है, मुझे मस्त पुशअप्स 150-200 कर रहे हैं. बट फ्रेंड्स देयर आर पैरामीटर्स कि हमारा बॉडी अगेन सूट करता है या नहीं. इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट खाना, इट इज ऑल्सो अबाउट योर पावर वर्सेस एंड्योरेंस ट्रेनिंग, योर रेशियोज, वेदर आपके बॉडी को हैवी एक्सरसाइज सूट करेगा, एक्टिव fast exercises सूट करेगा, whether you can only jog, whether you can sprint, whether you can only run a marathon, what is your carbs loading, वो carbs loading का impact आपके शरीर पे क्या है, एरोबिक कैपेसिटी अपना इम्पैक्ट ऑफ टोबैको क्या करता है. अगर मैं एक्सरसाइज करना चाहूँ बट बहुत सारा सिगरेट पीता हूँ, मेरे लंग्स में कैपेसिटी ही नहीं है कि मैं एरोबिक एक्टिविटी करूँ, आई विल कोलैप्स. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल दैट यू विल स्टे हेल्दी एंड फिट. सिमिलरली ट्रेनिंग का क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है टू इम्प्रूव योर पावर. हम सप्लीमेंट्स की बात करते हैं जब फिटनेस और ट्रेनिंग की बात आती है, तो सप्लीमेंट्स कितना ज़रूरी है, कितना सूट करेगा, इन्फ्लेमेटरी फूड्स क्या होते हैं, उसे कैसे अवॉइड करें, हाउ डू यू प्रिवेंट एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स का, हाउ डू यू प्रिवेंट इंजरीज विथ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स, कितना लेना पड़ेगा, ट्रेनिंग कितना लगेगा, व्हाट इज द फूड फॉर एरोबिक कैपेसिटी. All these things and much more. We talk about not just capacity and requirement, we also talk about the risk. इंजुरी रिस्क क्या है, रिस्क ऑफ कॉन्कशन क्या है, मोटिवेशन टू एक्सरसाइज, वेदर मैं रोज सुबह उठ के मैं अपने आप चार्ज रहूंगी वो एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए या नहीं रहूंगी, मैं मुझे किसी को बेड से खींच के लेके जाना पड़ेगा. what is lifespan and longevity ये fitness और exercises से, what is the chance that I will remain healthier, I will avoid osteoporosis, मुझे हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता है, any kind of, हम कहते हैं ना आज बहुत दिन बाद जिम में गया, बहुत सारे पुशअप मारे, यहाँ दर्द कर रहा है, वहाँ दर्द कर रहा है. So all this is exercise associated inflammation risk, the pain, the discomfort. It can also cause intervertebral disc degeneration if you don't take care of proper exercise, which is only required by your body. जो जरूरी है उसी का ख्याल रखिए. And after food, after our exercise, another most important thing is our sleep patterns, is our biological clock. हमारा शरीर ऑटोमेटिक पैदा होते ही वो अंदर भगवान ने फिट करके भेजा है कि व्हाट इज द टाइम फॉर एक्सरसाइज, व्हाट इज द टाइम फॉर यू टू टेक फूड्स में आप कार्बोहाइड्रेट कब ले सकते हैं. डू यू हैव अ टेंडेंसी कि सुबह उठने के बाद उठा नहीं जा रहा, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज मॉर्निंग फटीग. और यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ टेंडेंसी ऑफ स्लीप डिसऑर्डर, मुझे रात भर नींद नहीं आती, मैं सिर्फ 4 बजे सो सकता हूँ. All this is associated traits of our circadian rhythm. इससे हमारे शरीर पे, हमारे मेटाबॉलिज्म पे, हमारे हेल्थ पे, हमारे ओबेसिटी पे, हमारे शुगर्स पे, सब पे इम्पैक्ट होता है. सो व्हाट इज बेस्ट फॉर यू विल बी टोल्ड टू यू, विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड टू यू. And last but not the least, we talk a lot about antioxidants, oxidative stress. All these come under our final 210 का last 7 immunology genomics का profile, जहाँ पर we also talk about requirement of sunscreen. We spoke about sunburns, etc. Tendency of detoxification. We talk about smoking and alcohol का impact on detoxification process. And these 7 parameters, these are a complete history of what we dig out of you. So we tell you who you are from inside and what is your health going to be like from tomorrow, from the day your report comes. Immediately from the next day you are in charge of your life. And yes, helping a lot of people across globally in 20 countries. We have more than 10,000 satisfied customers today. A few names which might be familiar to you are shown here, who are our valued patrons. They believed that this helps make a difference in their lives, and that includes right from our ex-president Pratibha Tai Patil to spiritual gurus like Shri Shri Ravi Shankar and Prem Nirbal ji. There are, of course, Pooja Bedi has been our brand ambassador, and there are other Bollywood celebrities like Johnny Lever, Deepak Tijori, Bhumi Pednekar. There is politicians like Sanjay Nirupam ji, Gopal Shetty, and there are lot many other personalities, sports and fitness professionals, industrialists, everything included. Friends, they have trusted us not because they had the money, it is because of the technology, and it is because of what it is doing to us every day. These are a few of the testimonials. This is Urmila. Look at the condition of her finger. She had no idea why it was happening. The minute her genetic test was done and her action plan was given to her, she followed it within a couple of weeks. This is the miraculous change. It is always so nice to have beautiful fingers and beautiful nails and hands. Similarly, other extremities is our toes. This is testimonial of Anis Khan, before and after the genetic test and the genetic program and the action plan. Yes, alopecia, we talked about, spot baldness. This is another very good testimonial from MP. Post the DNA test, post giving an action plan, he understood what was deficient, what was causing his hair loss and damage, and this is how the after effect of the DNA test is. We talk about aging gracefully, which is a very favorite topic for me. We talk about the persona of any individual before and after the test, how they look better, feel better, and of course they become better in life. This is another very good friend, Vipul ji. This is his before and after, helping him lose weight, helping him look younger, healthier. Another friend from across North India is, you see his before and after picture. Yes, of course, it clears the skin, it gives you more fitness, it keeps you happy from within. And none other than our executive director, Mr. Stan Serao. Stan sir, हमारे first anniversary में कुछ ऐसे लगते थे, left side का picture है, and देखते ही देखते couple of months में, when he followed his action plan rigidly, he is as smart, dynamic and handsome as we see him almost 3 times a week. Well, friends, coming to the costing, what is the cost of these programs? 38,000 is the cost of one test for one individual. But if you think you care for your better half, a couple pack is at a very, very limited period special offer, not the MRP of 76,000. It comes to you including GST just for 62,000, and a pack of 4. If you think you care for your entire family, it is not at a cost of 1,52,000. It is, friends, for less than a lakh, 96,000. That means आपका एक किट का भाव somewhere around including GST 22 से 23,000 तक आता है, and it is a cracking deal, friends. ये मुझे मेरी फैमिली के लिए नहीं मिला, बिकॉज आई टुक इट वन स्टेप एट ए टाइम. पहले मैंने अपना टेस्ट किया 38,000, फिर बेटी का टेस्ट किया 38,000, फिर मैंने अपने हस्बैंड का टेस्ट किया 38,000. फ्रेंड्स, उसमें तो मुझे शायद 4 या 5 किट आ जाते. But take the right decision today. If you think this is going to help you, this is what you need today for yourself, your family, friends, you must take a look at it. Get in touch with the person who has invited you immediately after we finish this Zoom call in the next 5 minutes. Well, friends, full body profile nahi, so there are some very, very specific targeted programs also which we have, जिसमें आपको about 40 tests मिलते हैं, and आपका पेज आपका 40 to 50 टेस्ट मिलते हैं, and the report will not be 200 250 plus pages. It will be a little much less, but the counseling, the service, the facilities, everything remains the same, which includes the help desk, which includes the personalized action plan, and the support which is given to you. So we have targeted programs which include 5 targeted programs: diabetes management, then we have cardiac health management, which is of course the #1 killer in the world; weight management, we tell you how to take care of any obesity issues; women's health, healthy women and healthy children, that is what we also target. Woman needs much more nutrition, much more fitness, much more taking care of, because she takes care of much more responsibilities, is what we believe. And all these programs, yes, of course, what you can give your kids for tomorrow, for him to be intelligent, for him to be active, for him to be charismatic, and these programs come at a cost of 15,254 plus GST. So it's an MRP of 18,000 rupees. So take the decision, because we are helping people take decision, and we are also creating a mass awareness, precisely like the webinar I'm conducting today. And the company on its side has taken the challenge to create genomic wellness professionals and to make much more positive impact, more people who can talk like me, by contributing to the society as informed genetic consultants in an illness world. Remember, with corona, this word illness world is really, really very true. एंड अगर आप ये सोचते हैं कि आज ये अटेंड करने से आपको थोड़ी बहुत जानकारी मिली, एंड यू आर हैप्पी दैट यू गॉट टू नो हाउ टू टेक चार्ज ऑफ योर हेल्थ एंड कंट्रोल योर हेल्थ एंड स्टे हेल्दी, then there is going to be a national seminar, national workshop on the emerging trends of epigenetics, which is the 6th season. It is on Friday 4th June and 5th June Saturday. And if you decide that you want to do your test and you want to also learn much more about it, though then 3 hours 6 hours intensive training, it will cost you about 2,500 rupees with GST. But अगर आपने अपना टेस्ट किया एंड आप डिसाइड करते हो, इसके बारे में मैं लोगों को बता भी सकता हूँ या सकती हूँ, दिस प्रोग्राम ऑफ 6 hours training will be totally free for you, friends, on behalf of Vignet, that is our training and our Institute of Genomic Nutrition and Entrepreneurship training. Well, other than this, this is just the beginning, top of the iceberg. We also have a 2 months full certification course in the science of nutrigenomics, जिसमें there is live sessions, there is online study, there is assignments, there is lot of information available. And precisely this batch, I think this is the 4th or 5th batch, which is starting on the 1st 2nd of June, and the last date for registration is 31st May. This is for someone who would be really interested in making a career opportunity, getting certified. This is for housewives, this is for nutritionists, this is for dietitians, this is for students who can really go ahead and take up this new science. And the charges for this is just about 7,990 rupees, less than 8,000 rupees, but the batch size is going to be only 20 students. So register fast, just a few seats remaining, and this course begins with the beginning of June. So well friends, if you just sit and wait कि कल मैं बीमार पड़ूंगा तब देखते हैं, आज मुझे इसकी जरूरत नहीं, तो यस फ्रेंड्स, जस्ट रिमेंबर, इम्यूनिटी मैटर्स. आज अगर आप अपने आप की इम्यूनिटी, अपने आप की अंदरूनी सहन शक्ति, प्रतिकार शक्ति बना के रखते हो, so it will change your life and it will give you a good life. So friends, take action. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for listening to me. Of course, I little overshot time as always, but over to you, Ravina ma'am.
Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much, Dr. Usha. That was amazing. What a power pack session. Taking charge of our life holistically. So like they say, take care of your body. That is the only thing we really, really have. So with changes, with modification, such beautiful, doable, and simple solutions, we can really have a fantastic, healthy life ahead. Wow. So let us all put our hands together and with a wave of hand and clapping, thank Dr. Usha for this amazing, amazing session. And it's really, we are so happy. I told you all will not regret. She is a really power-packed speaker too with her sessions. She's always been like that. So thank you so much. And I'm sure all of you all have loved this session. If any of you all have any questions now, we can unmute you and we can take up the